Just imagine for a moment that you have been struggling with back pain for a long time, and you have an office job where you sit quite a lot. This is a lot of people's story. How can you remedy that? By doing yoga. I am going to show you the must-haves if you're starting a yoga practice. For one, you're going to need a yoga mat. For two, you're going to need a pillow, because a pillow can be a great tool for when you do meditation, which I have some videos for that. And it can also help you obtain some poses like lotus pose and sukhasana in a more comfortable fashion if this isn't something that you do regularly. You also will want a couple of blocks, because blocks can help you do more supported poses. They can also be great tools to help you open yourself up into the pose. Bolsters are lovely for reclined poses. They're also another really lovely tool that you can use to help you get into the pose. A strap. A strap works really great if you are having trouble getting into the pose. It can help you get a little bit closer if you have the strap. If you're unable to reach your foot in dancer pose, for instance, some people can bring their foot to the back of their head. Can't do that. Maybe you can, that's awesome. But it is something that can assist you with limited mobility. A ball. Oh my gosh, I love the ball. It's good for opening up your back. Sometimes you have posture, the way that you carry yourself through life, that inhibits the movement of your spine, especially if you haven't practiced a lot of yoga. So this can help warm your spine up and get you more in the groove of having a more limber spine. And that's all I have for today. I hope this is helpful. It'll set you on the right path for how you can have a really deep yoga practice. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I'm on Instagram as well. Until next time, may love and light be yours. Namaste.